rubbed rock. I could stick my neck out and say, that's a mammoth rub. Or bison rub. Or sloth rub, I don't know. Really good example is over at the west end of the park. That's that old road along the boundary.
Oh yeah.
There's that boulder that the climbers used to like to go on. That one's got a lot of it. So yeah, casting around for expert opinion on it.
Is there a way to differentiate, between species that would have been using it?
Not that I know of. I wonder that, I mean, they're starting to do lipid residue extraction from pottery. I don't know if they get anything. Only lanolin proteins. How would they survive this long? I don't know.
I wonder if there could be like micro features from, claws or
Yeah.
teeth.
Yeah. Yeah. If you hear of anything, let me know, please.
I guess one could imagine a mammoth having different oils than a cow,
Yeah.
and it might be rubbed off in here or embedded in that.
Yeah. It's interesting that people gravitate to these as well. It's probably just partly the location, but again, like I was saying before, they saw this. The people who were here, they must have known what was going on with that. And there's always the possibility that people used them as well to rub hides, maybe, or something else. That's the mystery of the day.
So is that technically considered a trace fossil, or is it not?
I don't know. In the write-up, I say this site has possible paleontological interest because this, whatever it is,
Right.
if it's real. I think it's real. Some people suggest, wind and sand and water polishing, but I think it's too distinct. When the sun's out and you see some of those bigger ones, it's just almost glassy. Yeah, and it's ruffled.
You don't see full surfaces of rocks like that, so.
Yeah. And it seems to be mostly on the parts that stick out, edges and